Hello everyone. Matrix now has a new form for entering the listings using the tax record. The previous form required you to select the county, then search using one of the available fields. You could search using the address, owner name, or the tax ID. The new version will be labeled Fill from Tax. You can enter the parcel ID if you know it and click Fill to start your listing, or you can find your property by using the search form. This page will allow you to search using the same fields as the Matrix public record search. Once you found a property, click Fill to pull information into the input form. Entering a listing from the tax record helps by filling in location, assessment, owner, or parcel information at the start of your listing input. If you have any questions about this change, contact MLS support via the email address mls@cvrmls.com or by phone at 804-422-5000, option 1.